Hi everyone, on Windows 11 by default, when you close your laptop's lid, the system puts it to sleep. However, this may not always be the best option. There are several reasons why you might want to change the lid close action on Windows 11. For example, if you're running low on battery and need to conserve power, changing the lid action to hibernate can help to save even more battery. However, if you're plugged in and don't need to worry about battery life, you might prefer to keep your laptop running even when the lid is closed. If you use an external monitor or projector, you may want to keep your laptop running with the lid closed so you can continue working on the external display. Or if you're concerned about security, you may want your device to sleep to prevent someone from quickly opening the lid and accessing your files without a password. Whatever the reason, Windows 11 includes more than one way to change the action when closing the display on your laptop, including using the Legacy Control Panel or the Settings app through the Power and Battery settings if your computer is already running version 24H2. In this guide, I will outline the steps to change the close lid action on Windows 11. Use the steps. First, open Settings and click on System. Next, click the Power and Battery page and click the Lid and Power button controls setting. Next, select the action, Do Nothing, Sleep, Hibernate, or Shutdown. Using the Closing the Lid will make my PC setting under the Plugged In and On Battery options. After you complete the steps, the new action will be applied to your laptop lid. The ability to change lid action in the Settings app is available after upgrading to Windows 11 24H2 or higher releases. Otherwise, you will have to use the Control Panel option.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.